You're going to learn Formula 17, how to find length of a string, including spaces and numbers and so on, whatever the characters you take. Okay. If you would like to learn more skills, please subscribe my channel, Raiju Skills. And without further wasting time, let's get into the topic. For example, India is a popular country in the world. For the year of 2025, SAP entered into the AI space. This is the text, assume. Okay, if you would like to, if you count like this, it will take few seconds. Suppose if they have given a paragraph or else a book length of the text, they would like to count it how many letters are there. Then say that someone is asking you. Here you go, the solution. So the function is len, that means length. So just select the cell, close it. Totally 85 characters. I cannot able to count it, but I will show you in another way. For example, this name is there. Okay. We can count, right? Still. How many? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Still you are not convinced. Let me put it. Comma. How much is the length? It's quite simple. Equal to len 4. Okay. So it is working like this. What is the proof that it is calculating the space? Actually, if you look at this here, some spaces will be there, right? In and out. For example, I remove the space. See, one letter is reduced. This time, space twice and special character also. See, 3 reduced 3 times. Okay. So let me take team. So T, I'm giving space. So calculate it. Equal to len. Oh, sorry. Len, the target text. So total 11. So that means actually team is 4 characters. Let's reduce the space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, this is how the formula works to find the text actually. So maybe let me try to, not required, I think. So you learn good, just try on your own way. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.